Hey, I'm Stacy with electronicadventure.com. If you're in the market for a new high-air remote control, I think you've definitely come to the right place. We stock over 300,000 new original remote controls, never used and never refurbished. You know what's great about our remote controls? They work straight out of the package. No programming or coding is necessary. Fresh batteries into the remote and you're ready to go. Hey, we've been in business for over 20 years, and we want you to feel confident shopping with us every time. That's why we're committed to shipping your product out within 48 hours of receiving your order, because we understand how important